Alright YouTube, Chad Sexton here, back with Sexton Chainsaw Carvings. I'm trying to turn this right here into an eagle. The eagle may be sitting on 1-2 rocks, depending on how big we make the bird. Got our MS 170 steel chainsaw. You know, standard bar, ain't got no special dime bars, you know, where you're doing a bunch of, you know, elaborate detailing. Got our 4.5 inch, got our Drill Master 4.5 inch angle grinder. That's what I put a lot of the details on with. Basic portable tools, keep our eye protection, ear protection. Got a craft show coming up here in, you know, a little over a month, trying to get my inventory built up, have something to take to that. I like smaller pieces, a little more transportable. You know, it's hard to take a 9-foot bear to a craft show, really ain't gonna sell. I mean, you might, but, you know, smaller items, they get gone quicker. So, just trying to, you know, make a little extra change and, you know, show everybody out there on YouTube that with basic affordable tools, you can make something really cool. Plus, you can make a little side money off of it, you know, make a little extra change. And I appreciate you know, watching. Give me a thumbs up, like button, subscribe to the channel, posting a video 2 a week. And really appreciate the support. Thank you. Alright YouTube, we got it mixed up. Your Astro in the background, Eric Dean. Done with a basic MS 170 steel chainsaw and a 4.5 inch angle grinder. You know, put the details in with the angle grinder. Big piece of log, cut out the roughs. Yeah. There's your little profile pic of it. See what it looks like. Not too bad with some basic affordable tools. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. If you don't mind, hit the like button, subscribe button, leave some comments down below. And we're gonna keep carving. So thank you for watching.